In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from e-filing to filing by mail in TurboTax for the year 2024. This is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step, ensuring you fully understand how to make the switch smoothly. Whether you're having issues e-filing or just prefer the traditional method of filing by mail, these steps will help you accomplish that. First, you'll need to navigate to the TurboTax official website. You can do this by simply typing TurboTax into your search engine and clicking on the official site. TurboTax provides an easy to navigate platform for filing your taxes online. Once you're on the website's homepage, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in. Look for the sign in option at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials and log in to access your account. After you're logged in, you'll be directed to your TurboTax home screen. Here you'll see various options related to your tax filing. It's important to make sure that you're in the correct section to make any changes necessary. Now go ahead and click on the 2024 taxes option. This is where you can view all the relevant information regarding your current tax filing for the year 2024. By clicking on this, you're stepping closer to switching from e-filing to filing by mail, if that's what you choose. Next, locate and click on File. This section is crucial because it contains the filing options, including the possibility to change your filing method. Once you're there, you'll see a Continue button. Click on it to proceed. This will lead you to another page where you might need to make further decisions. Now here's a key step. Click on Change. This choice allows you to alter your current filing preferences. If you initially selected e-file but decided that filing by mail is better for your situation, switching here will do the trick. You'll see various options, so make sure you choose the one that says File by Mail. Clicking on File by Mail will confirm your decision to send your documents through the postal service rather than filing them electronically. Ensure all your information is up to date and you have everything ready to mail your documents. And there you have it, you've successfully switched from e-filing to filing by mail in TurboTax for the year 2024. Always double check your information to avoid any delays in processing your taxes. If you have any further questions or run into issues, TurboTax also has a great support team that can help you out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in making your tax filing experience a little less stressful.